Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta sauce using fresh tomatoes. First, select about 2 pounds of ripe, juicy tomatoes. San Marzano or Roma varieties work wonderfully. Wash them thoroughly and set them aside. Next, finely chop 1 medium onion and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. These aromatics will form the delicious base of our sauce. Ensure you have good quality olive oil, sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a handful of fresh basil leaves on hand. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare those beautiful tomatoes. You have 2 main options, blanching or roasting. For blanching, score an X on the bottom of each tomato, boil them for about 30 seconds, then transfer to an ice bath. The skins will slip right off. Alternatively, for a deeper flavor, have your tomatoes drizzle with olive oil and roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once cooled, remove the cores and any excess seeds. This step ensures a smooth, rich sauce. With your tomatoes ready, it's time to build the sauce. In a large pot or Dutch oven, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and sauté until softened, about 5 minutes. Then add the garlic and cook for another minute until fragrant. Stir in your prepared tomatoes, a pinch of sugar to balance acidity, and season generously with salt and pepper. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce heat and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Almost there. Once your sauce has simmered and thickened to your liking, remove it from the heat. Stir in a handful of fresh basil leaves and, for an extra touch of richness, a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Taste and adjust any seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or a dash of red pepper flakes for a kick. Serve this vibrant, homemade pasta sauce over your favorite pasta, perhaps a classic spaghetti or a hearty penne. It's truly a taste of Italy. Also, don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.